we going? Brava! And later, where are we going? Halloween, brava! See? Brava, amore. So we are almost there. Hi! So, good morning, guys. It's Wednesday finally, and it's Halloween. Happy Halloween, everyone. I hope you had so much fun. So I know I'll be posting this after Halloween. Today we are taking the kids to the Halloween party. I hope I can be able to vlog when I'll be there so that I can show you guys how it is like the Halloween here in Italy. But in Tanzania, we really don't care about this kind of holidays, Halloween. Because here, example, today is Mirada, is her last day of school till Monday, Thursday, and Friday she's gonna be at home, and then Saturday and Sunday she's gonna be at home too. So I'm gonna have a very long day, guys. As you can imagine, to be at home with a toddler and a newborn is not easy. Hasn't been easy for me. The first days was easy because I was with my husband at home, but now I'm alone. Like, my husband is working, and the good thing is that he normally comes back in the afternoon and then go back to work again, so that a little bit helps, but not that much. So these 2 days I'm gonna be home alone, and even Saturday. Yes. So, oh my god, I'm not looking forward for this but it's all fine. Days goes faster. I'll close my eyes, when I'll open it will be Monday. So today it's gonna be treasure morning because I'm alone with Terencio. Hi, say hi everyone. So yes, guys, so now I'm just gonna have to wash this thing here because it was wet, and after I'm gonna take a breakfast and relax, because I don't want to do this thing after breakfast, because normally when I take breakfast I like to relax, watch series or something, so that I can have my treasure time. Okay, so I'll see you guys later. So Esme, are you ready for Halloween? Oh, okay. Are you excited? And Daddy? So it sounds out Esmeralda is afraid. Yeah. Why are you afraid, Esme?
She wants to come back home.
No. Eh? She always watches strange things, but today she's afraid. Eh? Esme. Bella.
Yeah,
so strange. But Daddy, he doesn't have a costume. Everyone has a costume.
No, me.
He wants to look handsome more.
Mariam, il cappello a punta in testa. Miranda, gira qui.
È secca.
Bella, bambina.
No, Mariam, lei no.
Ma da lei, che ti fa?
Basta. Ora vuole andare anche lei.
Ma quella è quell'altro, quella sta alzando quell'altro.
Meno male Esmeralda, she eats one piece of pizza. Today Mommy has to feed her. So Esme, you like the party? Amore?
I was afraid.
So like when we were at home, like she was forcing me to go out, like mommy, let's go. But when we arrived there, like she was so afraid. She cried and she wanted to go back home. But Daddy tried to keep her calm. So yes, we stayed for 1 hour and now we are going back home. I'm going to feed my baby because even my boob is calling him. I'm full.
Poor Terencio, hours.
Yes, oh my god, he was so great. Like he has been sleeping since we arrived, and now we are going back home. He's still asleep. He's like an angel. Even Ezra today was an angel. Dici ciao a tutti. Esme, dici ciao a tutti. Ciao. So today is oggi è giorno è oggi. Non sai. So today is Thursday and we are making a cake with Helena. Esmeralda's cousin, and Esmeralda and Terencio is there. So today we are making cupcake just to lose time and have fun. Com'era la festa ieri?
Bella.
Bella? Sì? Hai vestito di?
Strega.
Com'era la festa ieri?
Bella.
Bella? Sì? Hai vestito di?
Strega. E Mariam gatto. Bella paia.
Babbo era vampire, sì? Ok, ora facciamo la torta, ok?
Sì.
So I bought this from Lidl and so it's the first time to use it. Wow, guarda!
Bambine, se no la
Dico
Mariam
cibata e
farebbe.
sale. Mettiamo questa. Aspetta.
Cosa ridi? Stabile. Noi.
Ecco, un po' di zucchero qua per misurare quanti va. Vai, tutte e due, vai. Tutte e due. Bravi! E ora?
Le uova. Voglio vedere. Oh mamma.
So I told them not to touch their nose when they are making cake. So after making cake, everyone was asking for tissue. Oh dear. So disgusting. Fa schifo. Ready, it's ready. Com'è?
Buona. Complimenti Mariam.
Anche voi.
Papà e ci cerca.